Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max and let me show you how to add event to calendar. So at first open your calendar, now tap on plus icon, and here you can smoothly add event. So at first add a title, then add location or video call, now mark if it's all day long event or add start and end date and hour. Just customize it however you want. If you need some travel time to add, do it as well. If you want it to repeat, tap on repeat and then mark if it's every day, week, 2 weeks, month, year, or some custom period of time. Let me pick every month. We can end repeat, so let's select some particular date. And now pick the calendar in which you want to save it. Then if you want to share some invites, do it here. If you want to select alert, do it in this panel. Some attachments also can be added, but mostly it's all. Tap on add, and from now on it is added to your calendar. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.